Hello everyone. If you are looking for a large productivity monitor that delivers sharp visuals, smooth motion and simple laptop connectivity without getting too expensive, today's video is for you. We are going to be taking a closer look at the LG 32U631A-B, which is a 32-inch QHD IPS monitor designed for professional students and casual users who want comfort and clarity in one screen. And if you would like to check out the full specs or the current pricing after watching, you will find the product link in the description box below. So first of all, let's talk about the display. So the monitor features a 32-inch QHD IPS panel with a resolution of 2560 by 1440. So at this size, the QHD is going to give you sharp text, detailed visuals and enough screen space to comfortably open 2 or even 3 windows at once. So because it is IPS panel, you will get consistent colors, wide viewing angles, and that's very useful for creative tasks like photo editing or light video editing, but also for the everyday media consumption like YouTube and Netflix. So if we talk about the smoothness, so the 100 hertz of refresh rate makes the scrolling, animations and the general navigation feel noticeably smoother than a standard 60 hertz display. It's not built for the competitive esports gaming, but for casual gaming and the daily use. 100 Hz feels clean and responsive. The 5 ms response time helped reduce ghosting, keeping motion clear. It also supports HDR10, which improves the brightness and the contrast in the supported content that makes the video look more vibrant. One of the biggest highlights is its connectivity. You will get USB-C with 15-watt of the power delivery, which means that you can connect the compatible laptops and the tablets with a single cable for display and light charging. For long study or work session, LG includes a reader mode and flicker safe technology, which is going to help reduce the eye strain as well. Overall, the LG 32U631A-B is a balanced monitor built for productivity, light, creative work and casual entertainment. So if you want to explore it further, you can check out the product link in the description box below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.